I'm going to share some tips on how to get the most out of knowledge sources, which is the newest feature in Writing Assistant, aimed at helping you unlock your organizational wisdom to create better content. Tip number 1 is to look at your existing sources. You have organizational wisdom all around you. So think about uploading transcripts from Zoom calls or subject matter expert interviews. Add product documentation or pricing information in spreadsheets or text documents. Basically anything where factual accuracy matters. Tip number 2 is to use additional instructions to guide the AI in how to write the best content using these sources. Once you've added your knowledge sources, you can hit Write with AI, generate draft, scroll down to the additional instructions box. This is where you can tell the LLM how to use these knowledge sources. For example, combine expert buying guidance from the subject matter expert interview with concrete evaluation criteria from the feature matrix and pricing database. Hit generate content. And here we see an example of how the LLM followed that guidance to pull from those knowledge sources. And one of the best parts about using this feature is that you can use the same knowledge sources for multiple drafts. So here we're targeting a B2B target audience, IT and operations, but we could also use the same knowledge sources for a slightly different focus on implementation and change management, targeting an executive thought leadership. So think about different ways that you could use the same knowledge sources to satisfy different intent alignment and address the needs of different audiences.